Hey guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to make a sandbox that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 16 by 16 stud plate. You can use any size you wish. I'm going to place a 1 by 1 by 1 corner wall element in the upper left hand corner. Then I'm going to proceed on with a pair of 1 by 4 by 1 wall elements and a set of 1 by 3 by 1 wall elements. And we're going to put two more 1 by 1 by 1 corner wall elements in these two areas. Yeah. I'll show you why this box is going to be 9 by 9 here in a second. Then I'm going to place 4 2 by 2 jumper plates. These are going to offset an 8 by 8 plate we'll be placing inside of here. But before we can do that, I'm going to set down a pair of 1 by 4 by 1 wall elements, two 1 by 3 by 1 wall elements, and you guessed it, a 1 by 1 by 1 corner wall element right there. Now for sand, I'm just going to take an 8 by 8 plate, set that right on top of the jumper plates and press that down firm. And that's why I made the box 9 by 9 so the plate can easily fit inside. And just to give it a little bit of texture and character, I'm just going to place some studs in the middle here. Just a couple of random studs. Anywhere will be fine. Place some there. Some of these don't want to go in. You just have to force them down. For accessories, I'm going to take a little bucket. I'm going to place a handle on the top. Sometimes these can be pretty tricky to get on. And then I'm going to set a stud inside the bucket. So it looks like we have a little pail of sand. Set that right in there. Something else to scoop up some sand. I'm going to take a yellow mug, set that right there. And for a little sandbox shovel, just a little spoon.